Are you a person with a disability, or do you know someone living with a disability? If the answer to either is yes, the Belize Assembly of Persons with Diverse Abilities is providing caregivers and others with the skills necessary to assist elderly persons as well as children living with a disability. BABDA President Roxanne Marin says that the training is being facilitated by the Canadian group Healing Hands.
Three trainers started out on Monday. They covered things like seizures, stroke prevention, fall prevention, care of wounds, and really in depth. It's a team of professional doctors from Canada. They come once a year to do partnership with BABTA and with other NGOs. And so Monday and Tuesday was the training of trainers. Wednesday and Thursday, we've been training 20 caregivers from different organizations within Belize. One of our primary partners in this training right now is the Port Loyola Organization for Women. They have a caregiver program that they have at least 25 caregivers that facilitate elderly and persons with disabilities on the south side of Belize City. And so this training is imperative in them assisting their clients and giving better services when it comes to medical terms that they were probably not trained in before.
The training provides participants with the know-how in dealing with persons found in distress. Normally 911 is called, but there are initial steps that can be taken by a caregiver even before paramedics reach on the scene. Caregiver Ider Teul, who works primarily with the elderly, says that he's learning techniques to ensure that how he manages an emergency doesn't cause more harm than good.
Workshop was basically on holistic approach in caregiving with different patients, seizures, stroke, heart attack, dementia, and all other different situations where we need to, with us caregivers, find ourselves sometimes difficult in dealing with the situation we are in. So I think this workshop was very good in and bettering off our work we do at elder homes, or wherever other health institutions we are put or we are working in.
Today, certificates were issued to the participants from the Council of Aging, Stella Maris School, Cancer Society, and PLOW, as well as community workers who serve as individual caregivers.
Since I work at Stella Maris, I've been a caregiver for about 8 years now. So now that I've almost mastered dealing with these children, now this workshop, Mastering Caregiving, this is more catered to the older people. And in a sense, the same way that I deal with my children, I could take that same approach dealing with these older people, because whenever they have a sign of a type of dementia, they're like a child all over again. So I can relate to these older people as if they were my students. So I am very, very proud that they chose me to be one of these trainers to train the caregivers that we have in Belize, because even though we're caregivers, we don't have all the information, and there are a lot of studies happening, and Team Canada just brought all these light and shed on Belize.
According to BABDA, there are a lot of persons that are shut-ins, and there's need for more persons to be trained to assist this vulnerable group. Duane, Moody for News 5.